Now, this may not necessarily be the cure for excitement, but dude, I love the new 2020, 2021, 2022 Nissan Versa. I mean, I like them. You could get one with a 5-speed back in 2020 for about $13,900 after rebates. And they have cruise and power everything. And this is a much improved effort over that second, generation Versa that sold for so many years. That was just awful. I mean, just awful. Now, this one's a CVT. It's a repossession, but it only has 4,500 miles. And when I say it's brand new, it's brand new. They didn't have time to beat on it and ruin it. Exterior looks good. Just says tire pressure's low, but that's typical. I've driven a 5-speed in one of these, but I wanted to drive a CVT just to see what it feels like. I have entertained buying a new one of these when the prices come back down for me, for us as the family, because the Saab and the Impala is great, but I would like an inexpensive new car for us to, if we wanted to load our son up and go to the beach or something, I would have something I wouldn't worry about that's cheap. And these, back before, yeah, she's kind of slow. I mean, it's not awful. It's not the worst thing I've driven. The 5-speed is definitely the more fun and better way to go. But this CVT is not a bad effort for this price point. It livens up a little bit after it gets rolling. It's just a little sluggish off the line, but then it kind of gets up and gets rolling good. Now, this is just a base S model, which they do not have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You have to go to an SV trim to get that. But at that point, you can still Bluetooth and stream your music, and there's still USB and aux connections. You just can't have Apple CarPlay. And I've had Apple CarPlay before, and I mean, whoop-de shit. I mean, it's more hype than anything. And to save the money, I mean, one of my subscribers has owned a couple of these, and he'll probably comment as soon as I post this video. He's bought them new and then sold them to Carvana and actually made freaking money off of them. Now, that's pretty smart thinking right there. I don't care what you say. You know who I'm talking about there, YouTube 169. Here we go. This guy's like, where's the Versa? I think this is where it was. Sweet little car. You know what? I forgot to do our little walk around. Let me back it up here and we'll get our little walk around. Forgot to do that. I'm sure you guys all know what a 2020 Versa looks like, but I want to show you just how new this one really is. I mean, it is super clean. I mean, 4,500 miles. Hadn't even had its first oil change, I don't think. Yeah, got the Continental tires on it. That's what comes standard on these. It's got the safety shield, Nissan safety shield. But yeah, sunrise acceptance, easy auto direct buy. Yeah, this is some kind of repossession. It's too new to be an easy auto car. And it's still got the selling dealers decal on the back. I mean, this is a new car. I'll be interested to see what it sells for. I think window sticker new on one of these is right around $16,000 or $17,000. So I'll be curious what it brings, because it is. Oh, I'm in neutral. it is a new car. If I had the money, I'd go ahead and buy this, but I don't have quite that much today. Nice little rig. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.